So let's have a look at what we can do with Scratch. Let's extend the functionality of this program. Right, this is Paint.net. Here's a picture that I've taken of some clay characters. Here's my little penguin. I've got my penguin just on its own now. I'll use the tools of a typical graphics package to find the outline of my penguin and have that as a single object. So let's save that penguin as a PNG file. Again, a great lesson here about how to teach kids about types of file formats, difference between JPEG, PNG. And let's import that into Scratch. So the character we've created out of clay that we've taken the photograph of can be the main character we use in the game that we're going to make. There's our character here, and let's give that some simple commands to move right and left. So when we press the right arrow, let's make sure point in the right direction and move the designated number of steps. And then we shall then add in the same rule to move left. And as you can see, quite simply, we've now got a character that we've created that we are now controlling in our game. Now penguins live in the Antarctic. Let's go and find a picture of the Antarctic to be our background. Creative Commons licensing, good lesson to be teaching your kids, way of integrating effective web searching into your classrooms. Here's a picture. Now Creative Commons of course means I can use for free, so there's no issues about copyright there. Let's just save that onto the desktop, and then we'll use that as the background for our game. And import that in, and here's our background. Now what we can also do is we can add some other shapes, some other objects, some other sprites, just by drawing them with the editor within the Scratch environment. Let's have like a wee iceberg thing for our penguin to walk on. Let's place that. And finally, let's add something for the penguin to do. Let's get him to catch some fish. So we'll add in the picture of a fish that's in the library already. There we go. Size it so it's appropriate. And we'll give that fish some instructions. So build up the instructions. So we'll get the fish to appear 10 times at random and fall downwards. And anytime the penguin catches the fish, the score can go up by 1. So that script can be built. And get that finished there, change the scoring mechanism. And then we'll put in the repeat 10 times. Excellent. Now when we play the game, as you'll see, we have our penguin moving, catching the fish, the score going up. The penguin's made of clay, the picture's Creative Commons licensing, and the rest are built within the editor in Scratch. It's a wonderfully rich environment to be teaching and delivering aspects of game design to our children.